Hello friends, welcome to Bright Tag Designs. So, in today's video we're going to learn how to download the Affinity software, and I'll show you exactly how you can download it for free. Let me first tell you that this software is completely free, and it has been launched by Affinity by Canva. So, let's get started and see how to download it step by step. First of all, open your browser, and in the search bar, type Affinity. Now, click on the first website that appears in the search results. Once you open it, you'll see an interface like this. Scroll down a little on the page and you'll find a short video introducing the software and its features. As we scroll further down, we can see that the software is available for both Windows and Mac users. Whether you're using a Windows PC or a MacBook, it works perfectly on both, and you can download it for either one. There's also an option for iPad, but that's currently marked as coming soon, so it will be available in the future as well. Now, let's go ahead and click on Windows. When you do that, the site will ask you to log into your account. So, I'll quickly log in here. After logging in, click again on Windows, and you'll see a few options appear. I'll select the 64-bit version for download, since that's the one suitable for my system. As soon as you click, the download will start automatically. But since I've already downloaded it before, I'll just cancel it this time. The installation process is super easy. You just need to keep clicking Next, Next, and it will be installed in no time. And that's it for today's video. In the next video, I'll show you how to use the software and start working on it step by step.